Hi there everybody, in today's video I have this 2016 VW Golf Estate, and I'm just going to show you the location of your toolkit. And basically your toolkit for the if you need to change a tire is located in the back. If you get the boot open and you open this here, you will find this little cover here. If you take this cover, this whole thing out, okay, take this thing out. That's where all the tools are, and there should be here the locking wheel nut, key. So that's your jack and all your tools, and that's it. So hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.